23 years old. I'm studying 5A. I study marketing. And I do common sports in weightlifting.
Hello, Monday, number 17. You do weightlifting, no? Weightlifting. Sa tingin mo ba, being physically fit when joining bodybuilding, mahalaga ba yun para sa iyo? Edge to ba ito?
I don't think it's important na physically fit. Ang important is mindset and yung kung paano ka mag-release ng words for everyone, for your advocacy.
Thank you.
Tell something more about yourself, where you're from, and pageants, achievement, and your educational background.
I'll start with the educational background. So, I just started my first year college, pero I'm 25 years old, and I took the gap year because of financial problems. And during that gap year, I took an exam. So currently I'm a licensed financial advisor. And right now I do marketing so that I can polish my skills and I could connect more towards people and market my products or the things they sell. And the things I do is like weightlifting and combat sports. I do that during my free time so I could take care of myself physically and mentally.
Where are you from?
I'm from Puerto City.
Can you share with us what is your advocacy?
My advocacy is that I want to raise attention toward men's mental health because currently the number of suicide men is 3 times larger compared to women.
And how do you plan to pursue that advocacy?
As of now, I have a social media platform, a good number of followers. I use my platform to let every man in this country or the social media that you can take care of yourself and you don't have to stay silent with your problems. And that's how I do it. And right now, I joined Mr. Man Philippines so that I could create a louder voice toward my advocacy.
Mr. Palanyaki, candidate number 7. Is this your first party?
Yes, my first pageant.
And your objective goal in joining this pageant? What is your objective?
My objective is my advocacy. I don't really plan on winning this pageant. All I want to do is raise the voice towards men's mental health.
Last question, on the lighter side. Are you single or taken?
I'm taken.
Buti na lang taken din ako.
And
Taken for granted.
follow-up question. If you're taken, which is important to you? Mahal mo o mamahalin ka?
That's a very good question. So, when things are love, I think it's better to have someone na mahal ko. Kasi it's hard to love someone na love ka lang. Kaya love mo. So, the thing here is how you give someone the love you want. Like, you only love them because they love you.
Sorry, last question. Do you have a talent that you would like to share with us?
I can sing, but currently, trigger yung hyperthyroidism, so my voice kind of works. But I sing, I really don't.
No worries. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Martin. Thank you so much, Martin.